Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enter prank mode on your Earbuds SOUNDCORE C30i. So basically we have a few options how to enter prank mode. If it's your first connection, if your earbuds do not connect it with another device, you can just open the charging case and you will enter to prank mode automatically, and you can see it at the device list. Also, there is another option, is to enter prank mode manually. To enter prank mode manually, you need to open the charging case, and at the bottom of the charging case we have charging case button. You need to press 2 times this button, 1, 2, and this LED light start blinking. And as you can see, we have it at the device list. That's it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!